This summer, the library is offering Take and Make craft kits for kids and teens. Here's how to sign up. Start by visiting the Oregon City Public Library website. Go to the Youth Services menu on the right-hand side of your screen and select Kids and Families. Scroll down, then click on the Youth Summer Reading 2020 Events square. On the next page, scroll down to the Take and Make Craft Kits section. Select either the 8 options for kids or the 3 options for kids and teens link in the description. At the top, use the drop-down menu to select the number of children or teens signing up for a kit. You can browse the kits and their content below. Once you're ready, click Begin Registration. Fill out the form with your first and last name, email address, and mailing address. Below, you will see a list of kits available, followed by a drop-down menu. Find the kit you want and use the drop-down menu to indicate how many of that kit you would like to receive. There is a limit of 1 kit per person. Once you have made your selection, you may then click Receive Kits. You will receive an email confirmation and a link in case you need to cancel your request. And that is how you sign up for a Take and Make kit from the Oregon City Public Library.